If
a
I had
9-volt battery.
If I feed you guys seagulls, do you know how many seagulls I had to kill just to get one sesame chicken dish?
Well, it sounds good.
A lot
Sounds
of
like fun.
seagulls.
Really tender though.
You think, oh, they keep flapping the wings, they have lots of muscle. They're real
You
tender.
know what's scary is that she actually knows how many she needs.
One sesame lunch is probably like 4 seagulls.
No wonder it costs so much.
Oh,
What is that, a battery?
Leftover
9-volt battery.
Yeah, I think that's leftover sparkler stuff.
Nope.
It's around it, it's not.
Yeah, it's right on the edge.
Did the tray break?
No,
Really? Sure sounded like it.
I know. Well,
That's.
I'm not going in there. I don't pay you enough.
I think we should have gave it more time. Make sure it's dead.
Yeah, this one I'm kind of scared.
Is it like the cup of water?
Yeah. Where it's super heated
Uh-huh.
and blows up when I
Yep.
touch it.
Yeah.
So whose idea is this?
I would say
Mine and Greg's.
conglomeration of these.
Just keeping it real.
Anyways, I have a question.
Yeah.
English.
What's he doing?
Beating the crap out of it.
Touch it with a stick. It moved.
It moved, Greg!
Look out.
Might want to just leave it in there. You might get an extra explosive later. When he touches the
Zap.
leaves together. Yeah.
Nah, nothing.
You should wrap it up with